Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Moira and today is a Monday. It's April 25 and it's actually my first weekday na naka-study leave na ako. So last Friday was my last day of work. Pero naka-LOA lang naman ako. Hindi naman ako resigned. Ayun, tapos nag-zoom call lang ako with yung ka-office ko si Eman. Eman! Ito na yung shoutout mo. Gave me some tips, ganyan, for the board exam and yung experience din niya. And it really helps na kung mausap sa someone na nakaranas na nung board exam. And then, weekend went by. Class naman nung review, but also like, I just watched season 3 of Dairy Girls and binge-watched Abbott Elementary last night. Anyways, okay, so ano bang ginawa ko today, ngayong first day ko ng pag-aaral? Syempre, hindi ako nag-aaral. That's not entirely true. I did a review class for building laws. We fire code yung topic namin. Ayan, ito yung notes ko. Pero before that, hindi pa talaga ako nag-self-study talaga today. I mostly did planning, ganyan. Alam niyo naman, kailangan naka-plan lahat para mas organized and mas ma-manage yung time natin better, diba? Tip ko yan lagi. Okay, so pakita ko sa inyo yung ginawa kong schedule. So this is my cabinet. Say hello to my cabinet. So we have some calendars, post-its right here. So itong unang calendar is just the regular calendar that I do. I'm actually doing musical themed calendars every month. So follow me on TikTok if you want to see yung mga ganyan. So this April is In the Heights theme, kaya nakalagay in the April. Ito, and then I put these two kanina. Calendar for the 8 weeks na preparation for the board exams para rin malagay ko yung mga subjects na kailangan kong aralin. So inuna ko muna yung mga mas nahihirapan ako or hindi ako familiar masyado. And yeah, I also color-coded them para mas madali na. Pero hanggang mock exam pa lang yung na-schedule ko talaga or na-plan out. Ewan ko, we'll see. This is really just a guide. We don't know what's gonna happen. And then, medyo blank pa to. Ito yung board exam day 1 on June 17th. And I'm planning na 2 days before wag na daw mag-aral. Then here, we also have a little schedule that I tried to do. Yan, para naman tanado yung day ko. So, want to do some yoga or exercising. Tapos, before you sleep, meditate, ganyan. Para okay pa rin yung health natin. And then, just some TikToks that I want to do for the week. And also, my pencil fits here conveniently. I also planned out yung mga vlogs na ilalabas ko about this review season. And madami sila. And hopefully, magawa ko silang lahat. But now, it's actually already 10 p.m. Di ko pala yung nasabi. Yun, gabi na. The only thing that's left on my to-do list for today is to read. For the past week, I've been reading a visual dictionary of architecture and I'm planning na tapusin siya. Tinatry ko na 25 pages per day kasi 300 pages to. Then, nilagyan ko na rin siya ng mga bookmarks of what I think are like important. I guess that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow kapag mag-yoga ako. So, just finished one class na na-miss ko. Well, hindi ko lang kasi siya natapos. May isa pa dapat akong recording na papanoorin, which is nung last Friday. Hindi ko kasi natapos. Pero, wala pa siya sa website. So, hindi ko alam kung hindi lang upload or may error ba or something. Pero, whatever. Anyways, it's 11:30 a.m. na. So, I think I'm just gonna chill until lunchtime before I start on a new subject. Actually, kanina umaga, gumising ako ng 8:15. Tapos, ang hirap gumising na maaga. Pero kailangan ko talaga para maano ko na yung body clock ko, mabago ko na. And I did a little yoga. 10 minutes pa lang kasi baka hindi ko pa kaya kung matagal. That's basically how my morning went. And later, ayun na, totoong mag-aaral na ako review ng mga past lessons. Ayun, gagawa ng reviewer and stuff like that. So I guess I actually ended up using this extra time to stickers on my notebook. So, eto, bumili ako ng isa pang notebook kasi etong first ko, halos wala nang pages na natira for review. So, I bought a new one. I got it from Shopee lang. So, I guess I'll link it down below. And I filled it with stickers. Isn't that so cute! I'll try to link the stickers then down below. So, ayan. The aftermath. Diba? Sobrang bored lang. Okay, so on my monitor, we have yung reviewer ko about construction materials and equipment, ganyan. And then, over here is my first ever wall reviewer. Ewan ko, baka i-fill up ko yung buong walls ko na puro notes. So, yan. We're gonna memorize. Let's go! Division 0, requirements of bidding and construction. 1 general requirements, 2 site works, 3 concrete, 4 masonry, 5 metals, 6 woods and plastics, 7 thermal and moisture protection, 8 doors and windows. Okay, 9 finishes, specialties, equipment, furnishing, special construction systems, mech, sanitary, electrical. 9 finishes, 10 specialties, 9 finishes, 10 specialties, 11 equipment, 12 furnishings, 13 special construction, 14 conveying equipment, 15 mech sanitary, 16 electrical. And then the new master format has 50 divisions total from 0 to 49, and some are used for future expansion. Then, gotta memorize this pa. Whew, let's go. So, it's already 9 p.m. Kakatapos lang ng review class ko. And, hindi ko na alam gagawin ko. Parang ayoko na eh. Ayoko na. Pagod na ako. Pero, siguro I'll just read yung visual dictionary. Nakabasa na ako kaya ng 25 pages. But I think I'm gonna do 25 more since I have the time. So, that's the end for today. And I guess I'll see you maybe when something interesting comes up. Hi everyone! It is now Thursday afternoon. If may narinig kayo sa background, nanonood kasi ako ng live ni UNA Rap because she's writing a song and I thought I would listen to it. But anyways, grabe, kanina was a slow morning. Gawa ko lang is nagbasa ako ng visual dictionary. Dapat 2 hours siya, pero nahihirapan pa kasi akong ayusin body clock ko. I also just got this from Shopee. It's a ring light para sana lalagay ko dito sa camera ko. So, let's see if it helps. Diba? Para portable ring light na siya. Pero anyways, today, I'm gonna study, I think I'm gonna study Prof. Prac, like UAP documents, ganon. Because yesterday, I studied building technology. Kasi nga, sabi unahin daw kung saan ka nahihirapan, ganon. Inuna ko nga siya, pero ewan ko, kaya nakakawalang motivation din kapag nahihirapan ka. Or kapag hindi ka masyadong interested sa topic. So, I thought I would change it up, do something else today instead na building tech ulit. For me kasi mas interesting yung Prof. Prac. So, yeah, that's what we're studying today. And then tonight, I'm gonna have another review class about construction methodologies. So, ito yung book for it. It's a handbook on standards of professional practice and architects' guidelines for SPP compliance pursuant to RA 9266. So, yeah, I guess I'm gonna read this. Yung ba dito may highlights na from my review. And, yeah, maybe I'll make also a few reviewers or basta isistick ko sa walls ko. Yan, made a reviewer for RA 9266, lahat ng section. Sabi, kailangan daw i-memorize yan. 47 sections siya in total. Ito ginawa ko kahapon. Ash to soil classification. And it is now 3:30, so magme-merienda muna ako. Sakto sa schedule ko, 3:30 merienda. So I just wanted to share this red book of the RA 9266. Meron siya dito sa mga first pages niya na, ayan, mga frequently asked questions, ganun. So, I think it's very helpful lang din. Hindi mo matanong sa board exam, ganun. Ayun, gusto ko yung may table na nga ako dito, pero dito kailangan sa legs nakapatong yung habang nagbabasa. Lol. Hi everyone. It is now, 10:45 p.m. And Diyos ko, na-stressed ako. Basically kasi, bukas yung appointment ko for the PRC, as in magpapasa na ako ng mga requirements, pero kasi hindi pwede yung dad ko bukas, sasamahan niya sana dapat ako. So pinaplan namin na papalitan siya to next week. Tapos nung papalitan ko na siya kanina, it turns out di na pala pwede magpalit kapag nakapagbayad ka na. So ayun, medyo panic ng onte kasi kinayos ko na yung mga documents, ganun, and 9 p.m. na nun. Ayun, and pupunta ako dun mag-isa bukas. Hopefully, mabilis lang naman siya, and wala nang kung hopefully, wala namang mangyaring problema. So, ayan, this is my bag. Nandito na yung mga files ko, ayan, and then pipili ako ng damit na susuotin. Siguro may color, ganun. I also brought a USB na may mga files ko just in case. Ayan, ganun. Whew! Okay, kaya ko to. Adulting, Moira, adulting. Kailangan ko nang matulog ng maaga because 9 a.m. yung appointment ko bukas. And sa Robinson's Novaliches siya. Yun na kasi yung pinakamalapit na available. Well, medyo malayo din siya sa akin. Pero at least QC area pa rin. Yeah, never pa ako nakapunta doon. Hopefully, everything goes well tomorrow. And that's it. Ayan, I just got home. Oh my God, sobrang init. 11:30 na. Actually, mabilis lang. Like, 30 minutes lang ako talaga nagpasa ng document and all. And as in, pagkapasa ko, okay na yun. Text na lang daw ako para kunin yung NOAA. Pero honestly, mas matagal pa ako naghintay doon sa labas. Kasi, ang weird nga, kasi yung appointment ko is 9 a.m. Yun yung nakalagay sa website ng PRC. Pero, 10 a.m. pa pala nagbubukas yung PRC doon. So, like, naghintay ako doon mga 1 hour something. As in, nakapila lang kami sa labas. Ang init. Pero buti na lang mabilis lang sa loob. And okay naman. And now, maliligo na ulit ako. Dahil haggard. Ayan o. Tapos nag-ano pa ako. Practice for election. Wow. Okay, maliligo na ako. Kakain. And then, it's back to studying. But first, nood muna tayo YouTube. Kasi sobrang napagod ako kanina. And I need a break. Just got done with estimates. Tinapos ko yung recording ng class. Actually, mga 2:30 na ako nag-start mag-aral kasi natulog pa ako kanina bago mag-start. Pero, ayan, these are my notes. Ayan, puro computation. My God! 21/60 lang ako dun sa diagnostic exam. Pero, whatever. And then, now I'm just watching Dairy Girls. And, hintay ko na lang din yung delivery ko. Nagpag-grab ako ng KFC as early lunch since kailangan ko na kumain. 5 p.m. na rin kasi. Kasi 6 p.m. meron pa akong building laws class. Ayan. And that's the end of the week. Finally. Pero, finally ba? Kasi, lalapit na yung board exam. My God. Ang bilis ng 1 week. Baka bukas pala, pumunta kami ng province. I don't know. Maybe I'll bring you there if matuloy kami. Good morning, everyone. It is almost 9 a.m. Siguro alis na rin kami in a while. So, yun. Tuloy kami ngayon. Just want to share my outfit. So, well, actually, lahat naman itong parang dalawa is hand-me-down lang from my tita. And then, I just wore sneakers. And yeah, it's really cute. It's making me look real small right now. Pero yaman na. Cute naman eh. And then, I also have this. I got this from Shopee. Ito yung dupe nung YSL ni Heart. Ayan. Para may pa-props tayo mamaya kung gusto kong mag-picture. Ganyan. Ayan. Yes! I also like how my hair is just more naturally wavy now. Hindi ko yan kinulot, guys. As in, ginawa ko lang, nag-bun ako nung naligo ako. Tapos, ayan, pagkaano ko, kulot na siya. Saya. Diba? Free Korean perm. Side. Going in. Sneak peek. And ito siya ngayon. Saka na yung empty house tour. Mas in-depth next time. But, yeah. Ito na lang ang banyo. Because I chose the tiles for this one. So, yun. Basta may pagka-Moroccan-ish tiles siya. Ang hirap kong hinanap niya, na. And then, simple white lang dito. And then, dito sa may notch, gray lang siya. Para match siya sa gray nito. Meron din palang pink door dito for the front door. Wow! Ayan, so we just got home. It's already almost 5 p.m. Hindi pa ako nagla-lunch, guys. So, medyo hilo-hilo na ako. After namin pumunta doon sa bahay na pinapagawa namin. Actually, hindi ko na-explain, pero ano na yun, sobrang tagal na yung pinapagawa. Sin years na. Tapos, natitigil kasi yung pagpapagawa sa kanya because of budget restraints, you know. Pero hopefully this year, matapos na talaga. Kasi onting-onti na lang. Ayun, and maybe next time I can do empty house tour or something. But for now, I'ma go. I think I'll leave this vlog here. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you're updated whenever I post a new video. Comment down below what video you want to see next, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!